In this video, I'm going to share the review of one of a popular product from HJG, the Mercedes Y-type lens. First, we'll do the unboxing, then I'll share my review by testing it in different conditions, different weather, and across off-roads, highway cruising, and all the conditions which are in real life. For this testing, I've covered almost 2,800 kilometers with these installed, and let's begin.
I ordered these direct from the brand and it cost me about 7,000 rupees. They delivered it within 5 days and the shipping box looks safe. There are no signs of damage or dents. It is a global aftermarket lighting brand with its roots mainly focusing on the automotive and motorcycle lighting. The brand originates from China where most of their lighting components are designed and manufactured. Over the last few years, HJG has built a name for making functional, design driven, and affordable lighting components. These are widely used across international markets, including India. Here we have the warranty card. They are provided 1 year warranty and the wiring harness in the box. Then we have the main units. You can see it's really well built. From the feel, I think it is made up of die-cast aluminum with powder coating surface finish. You can see the matte finish. It looks premium and durable. The clamps are sturdy and the quality of screws all really good. Here's the wire and proper sealing is given to prevent water seepage. In India, these are imported and sold by multiple dealers, which is why you see them everywhere. But the core brand and manufacturing remains global. And this is the wiring harness. The connection circuit diagram is provided on the box. This model comes with an adjustable knob, so you can precisely adjust the level of brightness you want for all the lights. So this is the advantage here. Unlike the cheaper ones which comes with a constant light throw, this one can be modified based on your requirement. The quality of wires is really good with safety being kept at the center. There is a fuse unit as well and the two clamps for mounting and all the set of screws and Allen keys. It is a dual purpose switch, so you can press it to turn on the light and change modes as well as rotate it to change the level of brightness you want. There are so many fake products in the market with this brand name, so you have to be careful where you are ordering or buying this from. I would recommend directly you buy from the website. That is the safest option out there. And this is the fuse box and with extra fuse and some double-sided tapes and the switch mounts. You can use these mounts to mount it on to your side mirror or anywhere else. These are the only clamps they are provided for the switch. Anything extra you may have to buy it separately. Luckily this one was sufficient for mine, so it worked. I did not have to buy anything extra. Additionally, I had to buy a motor and aux light mount, which I haven't shown in this video, but I've installed that onto my adventure, KTM Adventure. Onto that, we are going to mount these. So this upper C clamp that goes onto the aux light mount on the bike and the lower part will be tightened with two Allen screws. Installation is being done at Bam Bam Bikes, people who understand the fitment and finish. He is an expert on super bikes and all the ADVs. First, the side panels were removed and the wiring was done just as mentioned on the box. The circuit diagram, there was nothing complex, everything was just as per the instruction. And this is how we mounted the switch onto the rear view mirror. See, I didn't have to buy any extra clamp for the switch. This one, the stock one, worked perfectly. The position is kind of uncomfortable to get used to, but after a few days, I was okay with it. It's not that perfect to reach out when you're new to it. And the wiring harness was stacked in properly, and the work was done neat and clean. And now you can see the lights. By pressing it, we can change the modes. Then by rotating it, we can adjust the brightness levels. Double tapping it turns on the flasher mode. In this video, I have uploaded only the unboxing and installation, but soon I'll be uploading the part 2 of it where I've done the rigorous testing on off-road patches in highways and rain and fog. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel so that you will receive a notification when I upload the part 2 of this video. And hope you find this educational and informative. Do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.